Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to D9 Battle. And let us welcome to our host, Mr. Melo Santodelo. Welcome back to D9 Battle. And we have two enemies. One of our good enemies, Kaden YL. Guys, why are the decorations purple? This is Kaden YL. He's a YouTuber in stock. And he's starting to log with us. Guys, I think I know what's happening. Guys. And here he comes, Kaden YL. Hello guys, my name is Yenlo Kaden Itan. I'm the brother of Matthew Overoxtol Itan. And I can also be named Kaden Ryan Experts. Thank you. Now I have to sing my songs. Hello, I'm Kaden. I'm ready to win this game. I hope I win this game because I love to win this game. I'm back. So to our next and to our last person to fight with Kaden YL, we have Lulume Olamigata. Hi, my name is Lulume Simon. I can also be named Cub Simon, and I'm gonna join to the D9 battle. Are you excited? Yes. Vote Bemula. Me. None of yours? Let's go. And here he comes, Lulume Olamigata. Hi guys, my name is Lulume Olamigata and I'm ready for the D9 battle. Are you ready to fight, Kaden? 3, 2, 1, fight now. Ow, ow. You cannot get me. Ow, ow. I tie his... Time to smack his face. Yeah. Guys, my short is gonna end. Bye guys, I'll see you next video.